the kitchen. So the fried chicken now is now floating. That's when you know for 30 odd years you've been frying chicken. That's when you know the chicken well done, well fried. Because the meat is floating in the aisle from experience. Look at it. Well done, coming out the aisle. In the kitchen fried chicken. Crisp, nice fried chicken. Check me out on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. In the kitchen. Once I remove the chicken, start a new batch. Same process again. See, dry flour, well seasoning, chicken from the pan. One at a time, one at a time. That's the in the kitchen fried chicken. That's the way you do it. Check me out on YouTube.